Okay guys, so it's 37 degrees right now. What we want to do is we're going to install this decal. It's a two-part decal. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure the surface is clean. Do not wax, do not polish the vehicle. If you have any wax on it or you've polished it, you want to make sure you want to take that out. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to pull the top part off just a bit. We'll pull the back part, the backing off, and then we'll go ahead and just center it where we want to put it. Okay, as soon as we do that, we'll go ahead and just with our fingers start wiping it down. We'll start pressing it down. As soon as that's done, we'll go ahead and open this part and grab the backing. We'll pull that part off, and then with one of our credit cards, we'll go ahead and just squeegee it out. Make sure we rub it pretty good, its edges. Okay. As soon as we think it's all right, we'll go ahead and grab the top part off. And what we want to do is we don't want to pull it, but we want to just drag it towards the vehicle this way. Try not to push it towards you. We'll go ahead and just take the top part off. There you have it. There we have our decal.